Hello children, welcome to our maths class. So we have started in our previous class, we have started with the chapter that is fractions. What is meant by fraction, Anna? If a whole part is divided into number of equal parts, then each part is called a fraction. That is the definition of fraction. Then after fraction we have learned how to find the equivalent fractions by using multiplication method, by using division method, and how to check the equivalent fractions we have learned. Today we are going to learn about fractions in the lowest term. Fractions in the lowest term. Fractions in the lowest term. That means we have to write the given fraction in its lowest form. How will we get the lowest form of a fraction? To get a fraction is in the lowest form, then the numerator and denominator should have the common factor as 1. Numerator ki denominator ka 1. Numerator ki denominator ki common factor 1 e undalana. 1 కాకుండా ఏ నెంబర్ ఉండకూడదు. For example, here in yesterday's previous class we have learned how to find the equivalent fractions by division method. Here I am taking 16 by 24. 16 by 24. How to find the equivalent fractions? I said both the numerator and denominator are divisible by which table? Only once. ఒకటేసారి numerator and denominator ఏ టేబుల్ డివిజిబుల్ అయితే చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఏ టేబుల్ లో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతాయి నాన్న? Both are divisible by 2, both are divisible by 4. So first we will take 2 table. So we have to divide both numerator and denominator with the same number, that is 2. In 2 table 16 is possible, that is 8 times. In 2 table 24 is possible, that is 12 times. 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24. Again 8 by 12. Again both are possible in 2 table. That is 2 2s are 4, sorry 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. 4 by 6. Again 4 by 6 both are divisible by 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now see 2 and 3 both are not possible by only one table. Ikkada you read 2 by 3. Both are prime numbers. So if you get the prime numbers, then that have the only one as common factors. ఇందులో న్యూమరేటర్ లో కానీ డినామినేటర్ లో కానీ ఒకటి ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ వచ్చినా కూడా మీరు లోయెస్ట్ టర్మ్ ని అక్కడికి స్టాప్ చేయాలి. బికాస్ దే హ్యావ్ ద కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ యాజ్ 1 ఎక్సెప్ట్ 1. 1 అనే నెంబర్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ కాకుండా ఇంకేం ఉండవు కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ఎలా అంటే చూడండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ if you divide 2 by 2, in 2 table 2 is possible, but is 3 is possible in 2 table? No. So you have to take, how you have to take? That two numbers, numerator and denominator should divisible by the same number. Like that you have to choose. So the lowest form of 16 by 23 is 2 by 3. Like this, it is the lowest form of fraction. More one I want to take here 14 by 24. 14 by 24. Now both are possible in 2 table. Why? Because here if you have 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 in the ones place, then the number is exactly divisible by 2. So in the ones place 2 or 4 only. So both are divisible by 2. I am dividing to 2 table. 2 7s are 14. 2 12s are 24. Here 7 by 12, we got 7 by 12. Now can you say both the numerator and denominator which table again? Numerator, denominator ఖచ్చితంగా divisible కావాలి ఒకటే టేబుల్ తో. అట్లా ఏదైనా టేబుల్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతుందనా? Yes, in 2 table 12 is possible, but 7 is not possible. So you should not take like that. Both numerator and denominator should divisible. So here numerator is not divisible, but denominator is divisible, but you should not take. So the lowest form of 14 by 24 is 7 by 12. Like this you have to find the lowest terms of the given fractions. Understand? Then it is one method. Then we have another method is, ee method entante we have in this method we found the answer in 3 steps. 1 2 3. It is finding the lowest form. How to find the lowest form of the fraction? Same how to find the lowest form of the fraction by using HCF method. What is meant by HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. Now take one example. Here I am taking 10 by 50. Now I want to find the lowest form of 10 by 50 by using HCF method. HCF method means highest common factor. Now both the numbers are both numerator and denominator are divisible by which table? That means what is the highest common factor of these 10 and 50? 10 and 50 both are divisible by directly 10. If we have taken 10 table, in 10 table 10 is divisible, that is 1 time. In 10 table 50 is divisible, that is 5 times, that is 1 by 5. Madam, both are divisible by 5 table only, 5 table also, no? Then why you are taking 10 only? 10 ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటున్నారంటే చూడండి, highest common factor, highest ఏ నెంబర్ డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది నాన్న 10. So highest number we have to choose. Understand? If you want to take 5 table, then you will get more and more steps. See, both are divisible by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 10s are 50. Again these two are divisible by which table? 2 table. In 2 table 2 is possible, 10 is possible. 2 by 10. Now divide numerator and denominator with 2. In 2 table 2 is possible, that is 1 time. In 2 table 10 is possible, that is 5 times. Whatever the number you are taking, you will get the same answer. But which type it is? It is by using HCF method. It is by using lowest form. Just to find the lowest form. By using lowest form, you have done in 2 steps. But in HCF method, you have done the solution only in 1 step. So like this, like shortcut. Okay? It is the HCF method and it is reducing the fraction into lowest form. So HCF, highest common factor. Now you have to think what is the highest common factor of both numerator and denominator. Numerator ki denominator ki is a common గా ఉండే highest factor ఏదో థింక్ చేసి దాంతో మీరు డివైడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? It is the lowest form of the fraction. Then take out your textbooks. Exercise 5.2. We have ring the fractions that are in the lowest terms. Ring the fractions that are in the lowest terms. Next we have exercise 5.2. In exercise 5.2, A bit. Ring the fractions that are in the lowest terms. Now they have given some fractions. In the fractions we have to find which are in the lowest form, which are in the lowest terms. For that we have to circle. So how to find? Manaku lowest form lo unna ela telustundi nana. The numerator and denominator should have the common factor as 1 except 1. 1 కాకుండా ఏ నెంబర్ కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ గా ఉండకూడదు. మేడం మరి కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ చేయడానికి చాలా టైం పడుతుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ క్వశ్చన్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. Either numerator or denominator should be a prime number. Then exactly that number is in numerator గానీ denominator గానీ prime number అయింది అనుకోండి, నాకు lowest form లో ఉన్నట్టే. ఇది చూడండి, 3 and 18 both are not in lowest form because 3 is divisible by 3 table, 18 is divisible by 3 table. Then it is not in the lowest form. 2 by 5 both are prime numbers, so it is in lowest form. 7 and 21. In 7 table 7 is possible, 29 is possible, 21 is possible, so it is also not in the lowest form. 9 and 81. In 9 table both are possible. 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81. In 7 and 17, 7 is a prime number, 17 is a prime number. Next, 5 and 15. 5 is divisible by 5, 15 is divisible by 5, so it is not in the lowest form. 6 and 11. 6 is not a prime number, but 11 is a prime number, so it is in the lowest form because here they have, now write the factors of 6. 1 6 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 6 1 is 6. Then what are the factors of 11? 1 11 is 11, 1 11 1 is 11. See, they should have the common factor except 1. 1 కాకుండా ఏ నెంబర్స్ ఉండకూడదు, సో ఇక్కడ 1 మాత్రమే ఉంది కాబట్టి they are in the lowest terms like this. 1 by 2 is in lowest term, 7 by 8 is in the lowest term, 3 by 13 is in the lowest form because both are prime numbers. Here 7 is a prime number, here 2 is a prime number, here 11 is a prime number. That only I said. Either numerator or denominator should be a even number, prime number. Then the fraction, then the given fraction is exactly in the lowest term. Next, B bit. Reduce the fractions to the lowest terms by dividing the common factor. That means for numerator and denominator we have to divide both numerator and denominator with its common factor. That means now 59 second bit, 15 by 21 both are divisible by which table nana? If you know 3 table, both are divisible by 3 table. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. 5 by 7 both are prime numbers, so the lowest form of 15 by 21 is 5 by 7. Now second one, 17 by 20. 17 by 20 are divisible by which table? 17 and 20 అనేవి రెండు ఏదైనా ఒకటే టేబుల్ వస్తాయా? లేదు, రావు. కాబట్టి the lowest form of 17 by 20 is 17 by 20 only. Okay, if that is possible, then you have to do like this. If there is no possibility, then you have to leave like that only. Then I will explain more one. 18 by 27, third one. 18 by 27. Now both are divisible by which table, Nana? Both are divisible by 3 table. So 18 divided by 3, 27 divided by 3. In 3 table 18 is divisible, that is 6 times. In 3 table 27 is divisible, that is 9 times. 3 9s are 27, 3 6 are 18. Again 6 and 9 both are divisible by 3 table. Malli 3 table lo divisible aitayi kada, so malli 3 table తీసుకోండి. 6 by 9 divided by 3 divided by 3. In 3 table 6 is divisible, that is 2 times. In 3 table 9 is possible, that is 3 times. So the lowest form of 18 by 27 is 2 by 3. See here, both numerator and denominator 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. Just now I said no here, either numerator or denominator should be a common number, then that is the lowest form. Numerator gaani denominator gaani prime number ayindi anukondi, ఖచ్చితంగా lowest form లో ఉన్నట్టు. Next, remaining all problems you have to complete. Next bit is there, reduce the fractions to the lowest terms by dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF, by using HCF method. Then next see it, reduce the fractions to the lowest form by dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF. That means HCF, what is the highest common factor of 27 and 36? 27 is called numerator, 36 is called denominator. So what is the highest common for both 27 and 36? That means both are directly possible in which table they are asking? Both are directly possible in, if you know 9 table, then both are divisible by 9 table. Madam 3 table కూడా possible అవుతాయి కదా, మీరు 9 table ఏం తీసుకుంటున్నారంటే highest common factor we have to take. So we have to take 9. 3 table possible అవుతాయి, 9 table possible అవుతాయి, కానీ మనం highest common factor తీసుకోవాలి కదా. So we have to take 9 table. In 9 table 27 is possible, that is 3 times. 9 3s are 27. In 9 table 36 is possible, that is 4 times. 9 4s are 36. Next, second question, 15 by 45. 15 by 45. What is the highest common factor of numerator and denominator? The highest common factor of 15 by 45 is 15 only, because in 15th table both are possible. Madam, both are divisible by 5 table also, then why you are taking 15? Because we have to take the highest common factor for both. 15 is the highest common factor for both, so we have to take 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. So remaining 3 problems you have to complete. 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. Remaining 2 more problems are, 3 more problems are there, that is your homework. Now exercise 5.2 has completed. Next, comparing fractions. That means which fraction is greater fraction, which fraction is smaller fraction. Okay, we have to compare. ఏది పెద్దది ఏది చిన్నది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఎలా ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం చూడండి. Next, comparing fractions. Comparison means పోల్చడం. Which is the greater one, which is the smaller one. ఏది పెద్దది ఏది చిన్నది చెప్పగలడం. Then for example, if I have written 2 numbers, now I have written 14, here I have written 2. Now can you say which is the greater number and which is the smaller number? Yes, of course you can say that 2 is a smaller number, 14 is a greater number. If I have written the numbers, then you can say which is the greater one and which is the smaller one. But here we are learning about fractions. In the fractions you have to say what is the greater fraction and what is the smaller fraction. Before going to learn about comparison of fractions, we are going to learn about we have to going to learn about 2 types of fractions. One is like fraction and another one is unlike fraction. Like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fractions means like fractions are nothing but if the denominators are equal, then the fractions are called like fractions. What the denominator it may be else, but that should be equal. ఏదైనా సరేనా 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 10 by 7, 100 by 7, 76 by 7, like that. What the numerator it may be else, but denominator should be equal. If the denominators are equal, then the fractions are called like fractions. Now, if I have taken 2 like fractions that are 9 by 25, 15 by 25. Now can you say out of these two fractions which is the greater fraction and which is the smaller fraction? Yes, of course you can say. By how? Because if the denominators are equal, then the fractions are called like fractions. If the like fractions are denominators are equal. If the denominators are equal, then close the denominators and compare the numerators. Which is a greater number, 9 or 15? 15 is a greater number, so 15 by 25 is a greater fraction. Like that you have to find. It is a comparison of fractions. If you have like fractions, then you have to compare like this. Then another types of fractions are unlike fractions. In the unlike fraction, like means same ga undadam. Unlike means we have the numerator and denominator should be different. Unlike fraction. In unlike fractions we have numerator and denominator both are different. Numerator different, denominator రెండు different గా ఉంటాయి నాన్న చూడండి. Like this 3 by 7, 4 by 6, 5 by 2, like this. 10 by 7, like this we have different numerators and different denominators. Then the fractions are called unlike fractions. Now in like fractions denominators are equal. Denominators equal గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి numerators ని కంపేర్ చేసి ఏది పెద్దదో ఏది చిన్నదో చెప్పగలిగాం. But here there is nothing to say which is a greater one, which is a smaller one. So if you have unlike fraction, then how to compare the fraction? ఒకవేళ మీకు unlike fractions ఉంటే వాటిని ఎలా కంపేర్ చేయాలో నేర్చుకుందాం. So if you have unlike fractions, first of all you have to convert that unlike fraction into like fraction. To convert unlike fraction into like fraction, what we have to do? We have to go for LCM. Already about LCM we have to go for LCM. Already we have learned about LCM in our previous class. What is mean by LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. What is mean by like fraction? If the denominators are equal, then that are called like fractions. If the denominators are not equal, then that are unlike fractions. How to compare the like fractions? If the denominators are equal, 3 by 21, 19 by 21. See, if you have like this, then denominators equal ga unnai kabatti you have to close the denominator and compare the numerator. 3 and 19. 19 is a greater number, so 19 by 21 is a greater number. Sometimes you will get like this also, Nana. For example, 2 by 10, 2 by 25. See, here numerator is equal or denominator is equal. Numerators are equal. If the numerators are equal, then close the numerators and compare the denominators. Which is a greater number? 25 is a greater number, so 2 by 25 is a greater fraction. Sometimes they will give us denominators are equal, sometimes they will give us numerators are equal. It is about comparison of like fractions. Then how to compare unlike fractions? Unlike fractions ఎలా compare చేయాలి చూడండి. Now here I will take one fraction 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 3 by 6. Now these three are unlike fractions. Now I want to know out of these three fractions what is a greater fraction and what is a smaller fraction. First of all, now these three are unlike fractions. ఇంతకు ముందే చెప్పాను unlike fractions అంటే న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ వేరువేరుగా ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ వేరువేరుగానే ఉన్నాయి కదా. So first of all, if you want to know which is a greater fraction and which is a smaller fraction, first of all you have to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Before going to convert unlike fractions into like fractions, you have to go for LCM with the denominators of given fractions. You have to go for the LCM. Now what are the denominators here? 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. These three are the denominators. Now for these three, we have to go for the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. That means these three numbers are divisible by which table? Leastly. ఈ 3 numbers అనేవి ఏ టేబుల్ తో పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయి. At least 2 numbers పాసిబుల్ అయినా పర్లేదు నాన్న. Here observe here 2 and 6. Both are divisible by 2 table. Only ఒకటే నెంబర్ డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు LCM చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇక్కడ 2 numbers పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయి. 2 టేబుల్ తీసుకోండి. 2 1s are 2. 2 table of 5 రాదు కాబట్టి you have to write as it is. 2 3s are 6. You have to continue this LCM till you will get a prime number. చివరకు prime number వచ్చిన తర్వాత కంటిన్యూ చేయాలి. See, 5 and 3 both are prime numbers. So up to here LCM has completed. So no need to take 5 table because up to prime number వచ్చిందంటే LCM stop చేయాలి. No need to continue. So that's why I have stopped my LCM. So LCM of 2, 5, 6 is 2 into. Now you have to multiply these numbers. 2 into 1 into 5 into 3. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s are 30. Now what is LCM here? We got the LCM as 30. Then what you have to do? Now we have to compare the. Now we have to compare. Now see here we got the LCM as 30. After LCM what we have to do? Now take the first fraction. First fraction is 1 by 2. What is the LCM? 30. Now you have to multiply these fractions with the LCM. 30. Then what is the second fraction? 2 by 5 into what is the LCM, Nana? 30. Then take the third fraction 3 by 6 and what is the LCM? 30. Now see, in 2 table 30 is possible, that is 15 times. 15 2s are 30. In 2 table 30 is divisible, that is 5 table 5 6 are 30. In 6 table 30 is divisible, then 5 6 are 30. Now see, 1 15s are 15, 2 6 are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now see, now which are, now how to say which is a greater fraction and which is a smaller fraction? Now you have to say which is a smaller number. 12 is a smaller number, so 2 by 5 is the smallest fraction. So about these unlike fractions I will explain again in the next class. But today we have learnt about like fractions now. So that based on that like fractions, take out your textbooks page number 62. We have exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Compare the fractions without finding the LCM. Put less than, greater than or equal. All these are like fractions. See first, 4 by 10, 4 by 12. Numerators are equal. So 10 and 12. Compare 10 and 12. Which is a greater number, Nana? 12 is a greater number. So 4 by 12 is a greater number. Greater than. Next 3 by 5, 3 by 7. Both the numerators are equal. If the numerators are equal, then compare the denominators 5 and 7. 7 is a greater number. So 3 by 7 is a greater fraction. Like this you have to compare and complete this 5.3 exercise in textbook. If you have any doubts up to here, make call to me, ask to me and explain again. In the next class we will go to how to convert like fractions into unlike fractions and then we will complete exercise 5.3. Okay children?